2 separate windows. 1 Tauri app. Real native windows, each with its own URL, its own size, its own close button. Here is how to open the second one in about 50 lines of code. Start from a working Tauri 2 React app. No new dependencies. MultiWindow is built into the core. MultiWindow goes through Tauri's capability gate. The permission core :WebView allow create WebviewWindow is what lets the JavaScript side spawn a new window. Without it, the API call errors at runtime. 2 window labels: main and settings. Capabilities apply per window. This default config covers both. Plus allow close and allow set focus so the JavaScript can close windows and bring them to the front. WebviewWindow is the runtime window API from @Tauri-apps/API/WebviewWindow. getCurrent WebviewWindow handles the close self case. One React app renders both windows. The second window loads the same index.html with a hash fragment. The component branches on the hash at the root. Open settings. First, check if a settings window already exists. If it does, focus it instead of creating a duplicate. This is the single most common multi-window bug. New WebView window with a unique label, URL with the hash fragment, plus standard window options, width, height, centered, fixed size. Close settings on the main window calls getByLabel, then close. Optional chaining handles the case where settings is already closed. Click Open Settings. The second window spawns, fixed size, separate OS Chrome. Click Open again. Focus, not duplicate. Close Settings closes it from outside. getByLabel finds the window, then close. Open it once more. From inside, getCurrent WebviewWindow lets the settings window close itself. Two windows, 1 Tauri app, 50 lines of code. The WebviewWindow API plus capability gating is the entire multi-window story in Tauri 2. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Tauri patterns, drop a comment with questions for Claude to reply, and share with anyone building a desktop app.